Welcome. This space is here for you, whether you're navigating the path of sobriety, reflecting on your mental health, or you simply need a quiet moment to reconnect with yourself. You're in the right place. This practice was born from my own experience. I know what it feels like to be overwhelmed, to crave stillness, to need a pause from the noise. Whether you're one day in, 1 year sober, or just here for a breath of calm, this practice is a gentle reminder. You are not alone. I'm not a doctor or a therapist. I'm a yoga teacher who understands what it means to struggle and also to heal. Yoga has been a powerful anchor for me, and I hope this practice offers you a sense of comfort, safety, and release. Let's begin. Begin in child's pose. We'll start in child's pose. If you'd like, bring the knees wide, walk the hands forward, and rest the forehead on the mat. If you have a bolster or a few pillows, feel free to place them under your chest and belly for extra support. Make yourself feel held. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, let something go, even if it's just for this moment. This space is for you to soften, breathing and grounding. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply into the chest, maybe even feeling yourself lift slightly. Exhale, soften your shoulders. Inhale again, this time into your belly. Feel the ribs expand. Feel your clothes stretch around your middle. And as you exhale, imagine melting. Let the hips drop. Let the back ease. Let the feet get heavy. Let your breath remind you you're safe here. Tabletop and cat-cow. Gently come to tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the heart, gaze up. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, draw the belly in. Continue at your own rhythm. This is your body, your pace. Maybe you sway a little side to side. Maybe you explore, rock forward and back. No rules here, just movement and breath. Low cobra and heart opening. Let's come down to the belly, resting on your forearms. Palms press lightly into the mat. Inhale, lift the chest slightly. Tuck the tailbone just a bit. Engage the core. Stay here if it feels right, or maybe gently turn the head, gazing over one shoulder and then the other. Optional. Bend one knee and slide it out to the side for a gentle prone tree. Listen to your body. It will tell you if it's too much. With each inhale, breathe into the heart. With each exhale, release. Child's pose and transition. Slowly come back to child's pose. This time, feel the spine round and settle. Feel the mid-back soften. Feel grounded. When you're ready, rise to seated and grab your bolster or pillows. We're moving into a restorative heart opener. Supported chest opener. Place your support behind you, aligned with your spine. Lay back gently. If the stretch is too intense, use more height under your head. You can place your arms overhead or rest them by your sides. Breathe into the chest. Let the ribs expand like wings. Exhale. Surrender. Let the shoulders drop. Let the heart open, even if it feels vulnerable. Emotions might rise here. Sadness, gratitude, stillness, even numbness. It's all valid. Let it come, let it pass. Supine twist. Gently come to your back. Bend the knees, feet wide on the mat. Rock the knees side to side. Then drop both knees to the left for a supine twist. Modify with pillows under or between the legs if needed. Inhale. Lift gently into the breath. Exhale. Release into the mat. Repeat on the right side when ready. Final hug and savasana. Bring the knees into the chest. Give yourself a big hug. Rock side to side. Then stretch the legs long. Arms by your sides. Palms facing up. Maybe cover yourself with a blanket. Close the eyes. Now, just be. Let your body rest. Let your breath become soft. We'll move through the body gently, relaxing each part. Soften the forehead, the jaw, the back of the neck. Let the shoulders get heavy. Let the belly relax. Let the hips melt into the earth. Soften the knees, the feet. Let go. You are here. You are safe. You are healing. And you are so worthy of this time. Closing. Begin to bring gentle movement back. Wiggle the fingers and toes. Maybe roll to your side. Press up to a comfortable seat. Hands to heart. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Release. Thank you for being here today. Whether this is part of your sobriety practice or just a moment you gave yourself to pause, know that this space will always be here when you need it. Namaste.